All right, hey guys, we're in the 3761 front living Montana here. I did a exterior storage video the other day, and here's the inside. So let's go. All right, we're going to start off here in the kitchen. Got some beautiful mood lighting all the way up through here, and above the kitchen as well. And then in the slide above the countertop here. We'll start here with the super nice chair buddy. Number one warranty claim has been chairs rolling around causing damage, so Montana has completely eliminated that, and you don't need to use those annoying little straps anymore. The fridge you can still get to when you're traveling. I'm just going to pull this side, so be prepared. Make sure you pack the right side of your fridge when you're on the road. Convection oven, microwave. Sorry, that's convection microwave. That's your oven. And then they've designed this half bath here. Let's kind of step in here real quick. Plenty of shoulder room. Nice porcelain toilet. You can actually sit here and wash your hands at the same time. Two birds with one stone. Max air fan. Here's your Furion internet access if you choose to go about that, which is a pretty neat feature they've come out with. Just some nice little storage pieces here. Good use of space. And we'll move on up into the bedroom. Beautiful day here today. Almost 60 degrees. This I have not seen before. Nice little window up there. And it even has daytime, nighttime roller shade on there. Here's going to be a motion sensor light there in the closet, all throughout the coach as well. Washer dryer hookup if you choose to do so. Comes with the TV. Nice swivel bracket there. Pretty good amount of storage here in the bedroom. Then the bathroom. This is impressive. This is the double vanity. Has been the #1 selling in the 331 high country, so it's awesome to see that they've put this into the Montana. Now keep in mind, right where we're standing is all that awesome storage that we did the video on earlier. So you got a good skylight there for natural lighting, and another fantastic fan. You get 3 fantastic fans on this thing. Comes standard to Whisper Quiet Cool air conditioners. Nice glass backsplash there. Matches with your behind your stove. Just storage out the wazoo on this thing. I'm curious if you guys are going to full-time in this or what you're going to do. Alright, here's your control panel right when you walk in. Nice and convenient. All your switches, tank heaters, lights, and the solar power. So every Montana comes standard with the solar hookup. So it's all plug and play. The plug's already run up into the roof. All you got to do is buy the panel and inverter, and might upgrade your batteries, but it's all ready to rock. This is the champagne color, so it's the lighter of the two. I'll just go ahead and show you these daytime nighttime shades. They're pretty slick. Came out within the 20th anniversary edition, as you can see. And then there's your nighttime. Nice big fireplace. Behind this glass is going to be your radio, DVD, entertainment system, all that good stuff. You got your TV that'll pop up in and out of here. And then you got a nice motorized blind here on the windshield. Just a nice reminder. Don't do it. Don't pull it down. Look at that view though. It's like being in a castle up here. And both of these couches are trifold sofas, so if you have guests, they've got plenty of space to take their own naps, nighttime, whatever you want to do. And then you got your powered heat and massage seats here with the USB chargers all in one little station. Very neat. And this little guy kind of folds out if you want to get a little bit more cozy with your significant other. So there you have it. New front living. 2019. Let me know what you guys think. I think it's awesome. I love everything Montana builds. They do an excellent job. That's why we made our own team for it. So there you go. Contact me with any questions. Nobody beats our prices. We're 22 miles from the manufacturer, and we got about 20 sitting on our lot right now. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.